For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just face it was better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. By myself feeling lonely, can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over.
Por el camino de tierra me fui hacia el campo santo, sin un rumbo fijo salí, buscando el destino. Buscaba la fiesta de allí, carnaval de muertos, donde cantan y bailan así, entre alebrijes y espejos.
Wonder how his life will be. The apple does not fall far from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my way, I thought I'd let you know. The countryside, the water so I way up here, I just let it know. Wait along the corridor. Some would say they've seen you here before. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we are. Can we make this even better? Somewhere close about. Ooh. same.